Hello, this is Lauren Sullivant, Registration Coordinator for American Quilter Society. We are wanting to now just go over where to print your name badge. After you fully register, you are going to get an email from me, Lauren Sullivant, and it is going to be titled name badge / agenda / confirmation, and then it's going to have the name of the quilt week that this was registered for. So for this one, we're looking at 2026 AQS QuiltWeek Columbus. In order to print your name badge, you'll want to pull this up, and if you scroll down, it's going to show you where the show books and name badges are, and there's a spot right here. Click here to print your name badge. You'll want to click on that, and so then it'll pull up your name badge here. It should have your name, your city and state, and then right here is going to be the days that you purchase admission for, and then right below it are going to have all of the numbers of the classes that you registered for. Now remember, if you registered for a full day class, which is from 8:30 to 4, it is going to have the letter of the day at the end of that number. That is going to be what they are looking for when you arrive at the show to say that you have admission that day. Do not feel like you need to purchase the day just because you don't see it on here. If you see that letter there, you have free admission for that day. It also includes your agenda, so this is helpful to have as well. It has the date, the time, and the location is right here at the end as well. So this is very important to have just so you know exactly where you're going. All of this information will also be in the show book when you arrive at the show. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we look forward to seeing you at Quilt Week.